Gavel here, and I'm going to be reviewing the iPhone 7. So right as you get the box, right away you see designed by Apple in California. In there is just a manual about 3D Touch, Touch ID, and how to turn on your device. And then just like information about the iPhone and Apple stickers. Inside the box is the iPhone. I'm sorry I got a little bit too excited and unwrapped it a little bit early, but it still is brand new. Then, moving this out of the way, we have the cube, the earpods with the connector, and the lightning cable. So some features of the iPhone 7 is image stabilization with the camera. I'll be showing you all that right now. So I'll give you an example. So I'll like shake the camera, I'll run around. And I'll show you all what that looks like right now. Shake the camera, I'll run around. The iPhone also has 3D Touch. So say you want to post something on Snapchat. Say you want to create something on YouTube. The screen is also 25% brighter. I'm getting this all from the Apple website, so this may not be true, but it does seem brighter, in my opinion. The iPhone also has no headphone jack. I'll give you a close-up right there. There is no headphone jack to be seen. Speakers are also a lot louder. So let's just show you some.
Yeah, diamonds they look like the sun, more like boss, hey, yeah, that boy saw my check, he said, what's my cost, hey, you wanna drum, can you count, yeah, for league to play with, that's too much on,
So the speakers are 2 times louder than the other iPhone. It feels a lot nicer than the iPhone 6. I would definitely recommend it, and I'll see you all in the next video.